Hello, I'm Jason Buck, and it's the middle of July, and the sun is finally shining. Sometimes here in Palos Verdes, we get what they call June gloom, and you'll see a little bit of this out over the ocean. I'm on a brand new listing. This is Plainfield. This just came out, and this is a winner. This has a huge view. It's single level, it's fixed up, super nice. So Palos Verdes is pretty special because it's a peninsula, sticks out into the ocean, gives you that opportunity for huge views. So we step in, it looks like they opened up some walls here. And yeah, indoor kitchen. This is really sweet. So you have your kitchen area that then looks back towards the ocean. You can see the ocean from here. This is amazing. Nice granite San Gabriel Island stove. Granite over here. Nice rack. Ooh, big maple, tongue and groove. Not cushion closed, but it works very nicely. And then they did the little desks here so that you could be working in your kitchen and dining here with the vault. This is really, really nice. This is great.
Sorry?
You're fine. So here's our garage. Nice, good workshop here. They have laundry in the garage. Second fridge, Tesla power charger, workbench, storage. Looks good. That's the Tesla. Floors look like linoleum. Really nice. And then lots of storage through here. Oh, pullouts with maple. Little love seat here. On in, now the floor's changed to wood. This is a beautiful room. Big vault. Super nice. Nice fireplace. And go out to our view. Awesome. Look at that little sandbox. Big view. So there's that little bit of marine layer, as you can see, and that'll continue to burn off. Now, over here we can see the tip of Catalina Island, and then that puts that little island, Santa Barbara Island, right about here. Significant because that's where the sun will set in the winter, and then moves all the way across. Now I can barely see the tip of San Gabriel Mountain through the fog over there. Pretty incredible. This lot goes down to this fence. There's a swale there to control the water. It does go all the way down to the street, but they fenced it.
So what's cool about a lot of the neighborhoods here in Los Verdes, there's no homes across the street.
Wow, this is nice. I like the sandbox, it's cool. And it's just huge view. So they didn't replace the windows yet, but they look to be in great fashion. This is just an awesome room. I love the vault. It's really nice. Excuse me. Nice room here. So they left the cottage cheese. This is soft though, so it should be able to come off pretty easy. You spray it and you can get it skimmed. Nice bunk bed. This is number 2. This has the cheese as well. It's, like I said, not too hard to do it. This is pretty. Seems to be in great condition. This one they did skim. And then into the master. Closet on this side. Nice master. Double sink. And an interesting shower. So that has a step, but it's not what I would normally expect. It's nice to have the access outside. I would trim all that out and give myself the view. But yeah. It's nice. So that makes it 4-bedroom, single level. This is amazing. Yeah, they did the floor, but they left the original pink here. So that works. Hello. Pretty nice.
You got your cookies? What's
Oh, they're
happening?
over here. They're in the
Straight out.
shade outside.
Oh,
Yeah. Kathy made
So this is a
peanut butter chocolate
great
chip,
view
regular
house
chocolate
plus
chip,
single
and
level,
dark
good
chocolate
size.
chip.
I think there'll be a lot of activity. This will be an interesting one to see how things change in the market. So, you know, interest rates have made things fluctuate a little bit, but still with a good view like this, things happen fast. If you're curious about the market, want to know what's happening, give me a call. Happy to help. Make it a great day.